Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show where to find the option and how to change name of our connected Bluetooth device in Samsung Galaxy S22. First we need to go to our Bluetooth options, so settings, connections, Bluetooth. And right now we have our default name JBL Charge 4. How to change this name? We have to tap this cog menu right here, and here we have our rename option. Let's say and now it's speaker 1. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.